guys, this is Alexa.
And this is Jolly.
Welcome to Livinchic Home. This is Livinchic Kids, a series of activities that you can do. In today's episode, we're going to make slime. To make the slime, we need glue, essential oil so our slime has sun, food coloring, you can use any color you want, decorations, you can use sequins or glitter to decorate your slime, and measuring spoons, a measuring cup, contact lens solution, baking soda, and cooking spray. We both are going to make our own slimes. That's why we have 2 measuring cups. Now let's pour the glue into our measuring cups. Now I'm going to pour my 125 milliliters of glue. Now we are going to put our baking soda inside our glue. But before I'm going to put it in, I'll teach you a lesson about measuring spoons. There are 2 types of measuring spoons, a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Look at the writings. TBSP stands for tablespoon and TSP stands for teaspoon. So 1 TBSP stands for 1 tablespoon and half TSP stands for half teaspoon. Now we are going to put the half teaspoon of baking soda into our measuring cup. We're going to use the smaller one. To smoothen the baking soda out, you can use a spoon and use the end of the spoon to even it out. Put 1 drop of food coloring into our measuring cup. I'm going to use the pink color, and I'm going to use the blue color. Wait, cut. Let's do 2. Press. Bloopers, guys. This is a bloopers. Good, that. Now mix it all together. This is so good. I just like it. It's like so if you like put a rubber ducky here, you'll think, oh my god. Yeah. So cool. If you want to add any additional decorations like sand, confetti, or glitter, add it now. We are going to add sequins and glitter. Lastly, put 2 tablespoons of contact lime solution into our slime mixture. As you see, it's beginning to form into the slime. Now spray your slime with cooking spray to avoid sticky slime. Yeah. I need this. Even though it already poured. After that step, you're all finished with your slime. Put your slime in an airtight container so it doesn't dry out. Now we're going to play with our slimes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notifications. Bye! Okay, here. Oh, what are you doing, Joe? I'm playing donkey slime. It's so crackly.